Communication is life. We live in a society where communication skills still remain the most important attribute to a personal or a professional image. Today's success or failure largely depends on how we can present ourselves, how we can communicate, and how others feel around us. It's been proven that 85% of our achievements are defined by others: our families, friends, acquaintances, colleagues, business partners, and public contacts. Established relationships are considered the most effective way to success. That's what we teach in our Academy of Social Competency. Our main goal is to train people to impress, to gain influence, and to build trust. The action tools we cover include proper techniques of body language, verbal communication, active listening, building relationships, conflict resolution, personal image, manners, and etiquette. Remember, social competency is not an inborn talent. It's like mountain climbing that may be achieved only by training, and when mastered, elevates you to a higher level.